With the city of Bangalore as its backdrop, the U.S. Trade and Development Agency hosted the U.S.-India Smart Grid Workshop on March 2, 2015. The workshop provided an opportunity for Indian power sector officials to address the country's growing energy needs. They also discussed their plans to implement future smart grid projects across India.
So USTDA, we just completed sponsoring a two-part workshop series on smart grid development in India. And the purpose of that workshop was to bring together all of our current partners, as well as prospective partners, and other key stakeholders in India who are part of deploying smart grid solutions in India's electric power system. This is an arena that has a lot of potential in India. And part of the means to achieve that potential is to broaden the visibility of these projects so that more potential partner companies can view what the results could be in their own system.
India is at the threshold of dynamic growth in the deployment of smart grid technologies and in the integration of renewable energy sources. Through different panels and discussions at the workshop, attendees like Tata Power had an opportunity to share implementation success stories and future priorities.
And I think this is a great opportunity and a great forum which has been created by USTDA, and it will go a long way in meeting the aspirations and expectations of distribution companies in the country, especially in terms of the demand side management and in terms of how technology can play a very important role in providing better services to the consumers.
One of the most important aspects of the workshop was the chance for U.S. companies to share how they've been working together with organizations in India to modernize the country's electric grid. By sharing their case studies and technical capabilities, companies at the workshop had the opportunity to further connect with India's smart grid goals.
These workshops are just so important in the evolution of being able to provide real value to a marketplace, because we get to come together with all the key stakeholders in the industry, where this workshop brought together the ministry, utilities, regulators, everybody in one room to hear the success stories of pilots that are ongoing, so that everybody hears from the people doing the work and having success and having done the work, and they can all hear it at the same time.
The U.S.-India Smart Grid Workshop helped to kick off the 2015 India Smart Grid Week, also held in Bangalore. Both USTDA's workshop and its participation in Smart Grid Week confirmed that its continued partnership with India will help the country bring power to its citizens.
What I take away from this, I take away a great knowledge of the partnership which US and India can work together in terms of developing technology and using it for the benefit of the common people.
I'm Steve Lewis reporting, U.S. Trade and Development Agency Public Affairs.